Hi guys, today I'm going to do a virtual walk around our fresh in stock Audi A1. This is the Sportback edition. It's the 1 litre TFSI and it's finished in this gorgeous arrow grey. A really lovely unique colour this. Great paintwork, looks amazing. If we go down to the alloys, we have a 15-inch 5-spoke alloys finished in silver. You get your nice Audi centre cases on there too. Moving on to the front, we have the gorgeous new style Audi LED headlights with daytime running lights. Very bright and powerful lights, and they also just look great. With this lovely front grille with this old new style shaping. You can see you've got these nice vents on the front, nice little indents on the bonnet as well, and a really nice big grille. If we go to the sides, we have matching coloured wing mirrors to the body colour. You've got your indicators on there too, and black housing. Nice black trim along the outside of the windows. You have black B pillars. We also have matching coloured door handles. If we go to the rear, we have a lovely lip spoiler on top of the boot. You've also got your brake light on there. We have the really nice rear tail lights, which are in the new style shape as well. Lovely bumper with the breakup colour diffuser as well. If we go and open up the boot and press the button, you see great boot space for a little hatchback. You can also put your seats down and also take the load space cover out if you want a bit more extra room. If we go into the interior on the rear, got these gorgeous cloth seats, which are really comfy. Also a nice bit of space there for the size of the car. We also have this nice little bit of storage space there as well for the passengers. Going on into the interior on the front, you can see you have the same style seats, but you've got a bit more lumbar support with these, so they hug you a bit better. If we get into the car, we'll put the key into the ignition, put on the clutch, turn the car on. You can see it's got this lovely steering wheel, which is really comfy and nice with controls on either side. So on this side you've got your different controls for your virtual driving dash, get all your different displays up, radios and everything, which is really nice and easy to use. Also on this side you've got your volume control and your hands-free and everything, which is great. Move down, got this nice door cards, lovely door handles. We have fully electric automatic windows and the ability to lock the rear windows. We also have electric folding wing mirrors too, which is great, and they are heated as well. Go down here, you've got your automatic headlight button, and then you can also set it to manual, and then all your different parking lights and front lights and everything, which is great. Moving over to the media display, you can see you've got a nice touchscreen media display with all your controls on it. If you just turn this off, you can see you've got your nice radio stations. You've got DAB, FM and AM. You can also connect your own phone through Bluetooth and USB to listen to your own music, which is great. And obviously you got your hands-free settings too. Then all your different car settings as well, so you can adjust them to how you want and get your servicing settings and everything, which is great. If you put the car in reverse, we do have a rear parking sensor as well, which is great. Moving down, you've got your climate control, which can only be adjusted through here. You've got your air conditioning, where how fast the temperature and the air come out of, and obviously the temperature there and air circulation, which is great. If you move down, you've got your traction control, automatic stop start button, your hazard lights, and you have these two nice new USB-C ports there for charging or playing music through, which is great. We also have a 12-volt charging down there, or a cigarette lighter. Move down, you've got your handbrake, 2 drinks holders, a little smaller one if you want to have the drink in there, which is a bit smaller, or some storage, and obviously a nice bit of storage space too. So if you have any more questions about this car, please feel free to contact our sales team, and potentially this could be your next new car. Cheers.